Video of Nnamdi Kanu struggling to break off the handcuff off his hands yesterday in court as he was denied bail. Lawyers reinforce. My people, how una dey? Yes, so Nnamdi Kanu don dey paranoid. He paranoid, don't be small yesterday. Well, according to the lawyer to Nnamdi Kanu, Aloy Ejimako, he said that they provoked Nnamdi Kanu, and that was what warranted the anger and the display that Nnamdi Kanu put up that very yesterday. You cannot believe it, my people. Nnamdi Kanu actually showed and proved himself that yes, that if he no be this way, he go be the other way. Nnamdi Kanu was not released yesterday. He wasn't. And besides, they did something that was so annoying that by calling Nnamdi Kanu a Boko man. Yes, a bandit. Whereas the court approved to them that this guy is not a bandit. Because if he is, even the US government or the British government wouldn't have even decided to stand for him or even declare him free from their own end, because the case already has been judged from their end. You see that now? My people, make we enter the content, make we see wetin the truth actually be and how it happened yesterday. But before we enter the content, I beg make you click on that red button, make you subscribe, so that each time we upload any new videos, you'll be updated. Let's go into the content. This is today's news. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, stirred up trouble at the Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday after his bail applications was rejected. Kanu has been detained on charges of treasonable felony, requested the court to either grant him bail or transfer him from the Department of State Services DSS custody to a prison. Alternatively, he asked to be placed under house arrest. However, the presiding judge Bentanyako denied his bail request. The judge ruled that the only recourse available to him was to take his case to the appellate court. Additionally, the judge ordered the DSS to always allow Kanu access to his lawyers, limiting the number to 5 on each visiting day. She further directed that Kanu be provided with a clean place to meet with his lawyers at the DSS detention facility, and stated that he must have access to a doctor of his choosing. However, Nyako cautioned that any attempt by Kanu's legal team to file similar application before the court will be considered a gross abuse of the judicial process. In response to the ruling, Kanu, visibly agitated, claimed that the federal government had violated the constitution and other international treaties by forcibly returning him to Nigeria. Hey, una don see all these things now happened yesterday, and I tell una the federal government, they don't really prove wetin they use be federal government of Nigeria. You know, if we are saying it that in Nigeria, the law in Nigeria is a law of give and take, chop I chop. Now who know man and all of that. They will say we don't know what to talk, but see and so. I love to shout, my people, but as it be so, I will tell you I'm not happy at all with the judgment given by Justice Nyako. He should have, looked properly, reconsidered, and accept Nnamdi Kanu's bail request. Notwithstanding, my people, everything being equal, I think we are still on point. Let me quickly hear from you, and then let's know what your take and what your opinion on all that has just being reviewed right away, maybe it is a pleasure. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.